Friends, today it is my first meeting of coming to Orissa Congress Committee office, and I am trying to address the media also. I feel it is my privilege and honor to address the entire Oriya media also. I, along with Dr. Ajay Kumar ji, Bhakta Charan Das ji, Prasad Harichandan ji, Dr. R.C. Kuntia ji, Shahnawaz ji, Vishwaranjan Mohanty ji, Babita Sharma ji, and Azmat ji, together we would like to address through you to the people of Odisha. And I take this opportunity to explain for tomorrow's meeting of our beloved leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji. As you are all aware, birthplace of Utkal Gaurav, Madhusudan Das ji, he was a pride and is a pride for the entire Odisha. It is he who started the nationalism feeling among the Odisha state, the Odisha people, and it is he who cultivated the pride of the Odisha people also. And tomorrow being the 176th birthday of Madhusudan Das ji, Rahul ji has taken this opportunity coming over here and paying a tribute to Madhusudan Das ji and his ideology. Madhusudan Das ji ideology, you are all aware, Odisha to be kept in highest pride, and Odisha resources to be spent only for the Odia people. Unfortunately, though Orissa state is very rich in natural resources and a rich state, but the resources of Orissa, less than 2% population of the state is enjoying the entire resources of Orissa state. It is not one day affair, it is not 1 year affair. It has been more than 2-3 decades. Orissa is a state filled full of weaker sections, underprivileged. If you see the census, or if you see the calculations of the population of these sections, OBCs, SC, ST, minorities put together, it's coming somewhere around 92% of the population of the state. So tomorrow, it's going to be a historical day as far as the Orissa state is concerned. Our beloved leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, is coming here to give the strength to the ideology of the Madhusudan Das ji, to take the heights of the pride of Orissa, and also at the same time, as he has been, Rahul ji, as he has been talking about the caste census for the distribution of the wealth and power as per the proportion to the population of the country and the state. As Orissa being filled with full of STs, SCs, OBCs and minorities, though it is 92%, they are being deprived of their share in the rightful share in the wealth, in the resources and in the power also. For which Rahul Gandhi ji, he has been fighting for this cause throughout the country. But tomorrow being a birthday of Madhusudan Das ji, the Congress party and all ji thought it is an appropriate date to pay our respects and also to give a call to the state of Orissa people, particularly OBCs, SCs, STs and minorities, to raise and ask for the share of the resources and the power. Where Rahulji and the entire Congress party is going to stand for these two causes. One is the pride of the Orissa, the other one is the share of the 92% of the population of the people of Orissa. Selflessly, our leader Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, he has been talking about this while he was doing his Padayatra right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Made an appeal to the people of this country saying that the resources, wealth, the power and everything, it has to be with the people of this country. But unfortunately, in this country, under the leadership of Modi ji as the Prime Minister, Bharatiya Janata Party government, trying to alienate the wealth and resources of this country to the crony capitalists of friends of Modi ji. This has been witnessing for more than a decade. But whereas Rahul Gandhi ji is fighting unilaterally, saying that this entire resources, instead of giving it to crony capitalists of Modi ji, it has to be with the people of this country and people of to this country. And also, he has been talking about the democracy. The party which has brought the independence by making so many sacrifices, their lives, properties, and it is the duty of the party which has brought the independence to protect the independence and democratic spirit of this country also. That is the reason he has been trying to give a value-based politics to this country by saying that let us live together harmoniously, and every citizen of this country, whoever has taken birth of this country, is a citizen of this country, has to be respected and treated equal. Politics are different from religion. Politics are to strengthen the country, to give a good governance to the country. But unfortunately, the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has been ruling this country, is not giving that. Instead of giving that, they are trying to divide the society of this country on the name of religion and trying to get away by not allowing anybody to raise their voice for the resources of this country. As a crusader, Rahul Gandhi ji, he has been doing this work, and now he is coming to Orissa tomorrow to take the same stand and to give the same pride to the people of Orissa, and also to appeal the people of Orissa to stand for the share of the wealth and power to the underprivileged people of the state. I request, while doing this, the Orissa Congress made it very clear by giving an appeal to the people of Orissa with guarantees. Guarantee, as we have done in Telangana and other states like Karnataka, under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul Gandhi ji, where all that we made guarantees, and after coming to power we started implementing it very meticulously. Out of 6 guarantees that we already implemented, 5 guarantees in Telangana. On the same lines, even in Orissa also, the Orissa Congress Committee has announced the guarantees to distribute the wealth of the state to the needy people on the name of the guarantees. Guarantees are nothing but distributing the resources and wealth of the state to the people. Otherwise, less than 2% of the population of the state is looting the entire resources of the state, which is not correct. Haves are becoming too big, have-nots are becoming too poor. This disparity, particularly in the ruling of BJD and Bharatiya Janata Party put together, more than 2 decades which has happened in the state of Orissa, which we have to put a full stop now. We have to stand for the people, we have to stand for the resources to be distributed to the people of the state. That is why the state of Orissa, the Congress committee has announced these 5 guarantees. And these 5 guarantees under the leadership of Rahul ji and Mallikarjun Kharge ji will be meticulously implemented in the state of Orissa after coming to power. And also caste census. Caste census is one such an important issue. With that only, once if you come to know the strength and the wealth and the resources are where being distributed, where being located. If you come to know exactly the picture, then you can really distribute them as per the proportion of the population. For that, the whole country has to wake up now. OBCs have to think about it now. Scheduled caste people have to think about it now. Scheduled tribe people have to think about it now. Our share, our power, we are not getting it, we are being deprived. Now the Congress party is taking the stand to stand by us with the full support of under the leadership of Rahul ji. Let us wake up and get our own government on the name of Indian National Congress Committee, and let us distribute our own resources to our people, and let us take the share of the power, and let us rule the state, and let us give an equal status to each and every single individual citizen of the state of Orissa. This is what is going to be started from tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be an auspicious day of Madhusudan Das ji birthday, and birthday is going to be a remarkable and historical date, and where Rahul ji is going to address the people of Orissa and is going to give a call. So let us stand for him.
मैं तो पहले आप सब लोग को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में थोड़ी सी देर हो गई। आप सब लोग से क्षमा मांगते हैं। हमारे परम आदरणीय तेलंगाना के डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर भट्टी सर हमारे बीच में उपस्थित हैं। बहुत कम लोग जानते होंगे, लेकिन 1400 किलोमीटर का पद यात्रा तेलंगाना में 1400 किलोमीटर का तेलंगाना, राहुल गांधी जी जैसे उन्होंने यात्रा किया था, तेलंगाना में जो एक ऐतिहासिक पद यात्रा हुई थी और उसके नायक वो भट्टी सर है। 1400 किलोमीटर आदिलाबाद से लेकर के खम्मम तक, और जो सरकार जो तेलंगाना में अब जो आ गई है, हर एक व्यक्ति जो तेलंगाना में कहते हैं, यही बोलते हैं कि रेवंत जी और भट्टी सर के जो कॉम्बिनेशन था वो अपने जगह पर है, लेकिन ये जो पद यात्रा जो उन्होंने किया था उससे पूरा प्रदेश में उसका असर हुआ। दूसरी बात, और फिर मैं अपने वाणी को विराम देना चाहूंगा, लगातार तेलंगाना में कांग्रेस को नीचे दिखाने का कोशिश की गई थी कुछ मीडिया के द्वारा, सब लोग नहीं, कुछ लोग बोले कि कांग्रेस खत्म हो चुकी है, 15 बाई इलेक्शन हार चुके हैं, और आपने तेलंगाना में एक ऐतिहासिक रिजल्ट देखा है। उसी तरह से मैं आपको सिर्फ सूचित करना चाहता हूं कि इस देश में इस बार का लोकसभा चुनाव भी एक आश्चर्यचकित करने वाले रिजल्ट आपको दिखाई। उड़ीसा में तो है ही, और कल का कार्यक्रम की तैयारी पूरे डिटेल और किस मकसद से राहुल जी उड़ीसा आ रहे हैं, विस्तार से भट्टी सर आप लोग को बताएंगे। और यदि प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद अगर आपको कोई भी सवाल करना हो तो मंच पे बैठे किसी भी व्यक्ति से हम लोग उसका जवाब देने को तैयार है। फिर पुनः परम आदरणीय भट्टी सर से धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने उड़ीसा आकर के उड़ीसा कांग्रेस को मजबूत करने के लिए जो निस्वार्थ प्रयास कर रहे हैं, वो हम सब उनके आभारी हैं।